Hey guys, and the beast is here. You're looking at the live Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus images. And no, I'm not at MWC. My visa got delayed, but the Galaxy S9 is here in its full glory thanks to this Instagram user who got the early access to the phone. We are actually 24 hours away from the event, but I guess you don't have to wait for that. You can see we have both S9 and S9 Plus. The Plus model is in titanium gray color, while the Galaxy S9 is in the midnight black color. Both are looking awesome. I gotta say, the final thing always ends up looking better than the renders. We have the fingerprint scanner on the back right below the camera. Of course, we know this stuff since like a month. So the dual cameras are for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and we have a single camera for the S9. This is a 12 megapixel camera with f1.5 aperture and can be changed up to 2.4. It's a variable aperture. Galaxy S9 Plus has a secondary camera sensor which is coming at 12 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. So both of these lenses have optical image stabilization. Now looking on the front of the phone, we have the boot up logos revealing that they are indeed being called as Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. No name change. It says secured by Knox, so the guy didn't share any UI images. But yeah, the front does show that it is very similar to the Galaxy S8. In fact, it is exactly like the S8. There is no side bezel or anything like that, like we saw in that crazy render. We're still having that amazing, gorgeous infinity design that we all love. The screen sizes are also the same, 5.8 inch for the Galaxy S9 and 6.2 inch for the S9 Plus. If you look at the bottom bezel, it is indeed smaller than the Galaxy S8, just a bit, but it's not gonna be that noticeable, and I'm just glad that there is no notch. Looking closely at the top of the phone, we got the new earpiece that also doubles as a secondary speaker. So we do know that the Galaxy S9 is the first phone from Samsung to rock a dual stereo speaker tuned by AKG. Some folks that got their hands on, they have said that the speaker has been massively improved compared to the S8. It is louder and clearer. The intelligent scanners, aka facial and iris cameras, are there as well. The iris scanner is now improved. It's now coming with a 3 megapixel sensor compared to the 2 megapixel sensor of the Galaxy S8. The same button layout can be seen as well. We got the power button on the right and the volume and Bixby key on the left. Now the third picture reveals the major colors for the Galaxy S9 family. So we have the S9 Plus in the coral blue and midnight black. And there's a Galaxy S9 in the lilac purple color. So this is the new color that Samsung has introduced with this new generation. I have to say it looks pretty stunning, but I still kind of prefer the coral blue one because blue is actually my favorite color, you know. Also, the official box of the Galaxy S9 Plus is leaked as well. You can see that it resembles the box of the Galaxy S8. Got all the specification and important information on the back. So you can see the camera stuff, dual camera, 12 megapixel f1.5 to f2.4 variable aperture, and a secondary 12 megapixel camera is coming at f2.4 aperture for the optical zoom. Rest of the stuff is same. We have dual stereo speaker again. Once again, it is confirmed. And of course, the big thing here is that the S9 Plus is having 6 GB of RAM. It's now confirmed that S9 Plus is indeed rocking 6 GB of RAM thanks to this box leak by this user. So yeah guys, there you have it, the Galaxy S9 family in its full glory. And if you're wondering about the specs, here are the full spec sheet for the S9, and here is the full spec sheet for the S9 Plus. I'm sorry that I couldn't make it to the MWC, but I promise you that you will see the phones Galaxy S9, S9 Plus on the channel really soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.